New moon in Aries, solar eclipse and supermoon happening March 29th of 2025. Hey cosmic explorers, welcome back to Astrology, a look inside, your guide to the stars and beyond. Buckle up because we've got a massive celestial event happening and coming your way. On Saturday, March 29th, 2025 at 3:58 a.m., we're getting a new moon in Aries. But that's not all. This lunation is also a partial solar eclipse and a supermoon. That's a triple threat cosmic event. And I'm here to break it all down for you. So what is a new moon? First, let's talk about the new moon, the cosmic reset button. Every month, when the moon aligns with the sun, we get a fresh start. But this isn't just any new moon. It's in Aries, the bold, fiery first sign of the Zodiac. It is an actual restart, an actual new beginning. And Aries energy is all about action, courage, and new beginnings. This is the perfect time to set intentions, to take risks, and to ignite your passions. But with this also being a solar eclipse, things might get even more intense, which brings me to the meaning of the solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is like the universe's way of hitting the fast forward button of fate. Eclipses bring sudden shifts, revelations, and turning points. It's a pivotal time, especially in the areas of life ruled by Aries, your identity, your courage, and your personal goals. But the question is, where does Aries fall in your individual horoscope? Do you know what house or houses Aries represent for you? Now, because this is a partial eclipse, the energy is a little less extreme than a total eclipse, but it's still very powerful. So expect unexpected opportunities or endings in your personal life. A push to take bold action, even if it scares you, and major realizations about who you are and what you truly want. Eclipses can feel chaotic, but they're here to align you with your destiny. So if something big happens around this time, trust that it's for your higher good, whatever it is. Then there's the supermoon effect. And if it wasn't enough, this new moon is also a supermoon. Okay? That means that the moon is at its closest point to Earth. And it's making its energy extra potent. It's very potent, okay? Okay. So supermoons amplify emotions, okay? And manifestations, even physical energy. So your intentions will carry more weight, your emotions may feel more heightened, and you might feel more synchronicities or vivid dreams. Write down your dreams, keep a journal beside you. Definitely keep a dream journal. I'm thinking, yeah, definitely this week. So how to work with this energy? So how do you make the most of this powerhouse new moon? There's what I recommend. Hold on, I need more tea. Hold on. What I recommend is to set bold intentions, okay? Aries loves action. They love it. So write down what you want to start, conquer, and change. And actually write it down and get ready to start doing some of these things. Number 2 is release your fears. Eclipses wipe out what no longer serves you. What is no longer serving you? What do you need to let go of, get rid of? Release those fears right now. Let them go. Number 3 is take one brave step, one bold step toward mankind, right? Even small action steps count. The smallest of steps, the smallest of actions count. So Aries, take action during this Aries period. Aries rewards courage. Okay, so the more courageous you are, the more you take brave steps, the better it will be. Also, charge your crystals. Supermoons are great for charging or energizing your tools. Our crystals are our tools. Be sure to charge your crystals and make sure they're cleaned and energized and charged. Watch for signs. The universe will send you messages, so stay open. Especially looking at things like numbers like 333, 22. I've been seeing a lot of 222, 444, and 333, and 111. And so you might be seeing things like that. So stay open to those kind of messages. The new moon in Aries is a rare cosmic gift. It's a chance to reset. It's a chance to reform and transform and step into your power like never before. If you've been really a little hesitant on exerting your power, of stepping out into the light, into the forefront, this is your time to do that. This is your time to step into your power. Will it be intense? Maybe. But will it be worth it? Absolutely. Absolutely. So tell me in the comments, what are you manifesting under this epic lunation? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on any of my upcoming astrological updates, okay? Until next time, keep looking inside and keep looking up at the stars. Blessings. Oh, and this has been Adrienne, Capricorntigress of Astrology, a look inside.com. Many blessings to you all. Astrology, a look inside. Presenting astrology and tarot readings for all.